Good morning, good afternoon, and good day to all people around the globe. And I will start with a simple recall on how to write research title. But some researchers believe that certain problems are not considered research problems. Why? Because the problem is trivial and does not require the application of the right steps of a scientific process or research process. The problem already has an answer. Remember, search again. Okay? It does not mean you're going to give the answer, but you have to discover the answer. And whether it is in the past or it does not give a novelty of the problem. The problem when solved does not contribute anything substantial to the body of knowledge or does not improve an existing condition. So my topic now in this module or in this video is all about how to write title of research paper. Authorities vary in their opinions with regard writing the titles. In fact, there are no definitive criteria to guide the statement of the title of the research. What is accepted as a basic guide steps from the bibliographic usefulness of the title to other scholars working along similar content, according to Campbell. As much as possible, though, the title should be brief but reflective of the major variables of the study. I will give you some hints on how to write. The first one is avoid using the phrase I study to show, an inquiry into, or an investigation of, and other similar phrases because every thesis or dissertation is understood to be a study, an inquiry, or an investigation. So you don't need to mention the phrase I study to show, an inquiry into, or an investigation of, because research in itself will give you a study, inquiry, or investigate. That is the output. Next, the study should be, or the title, should be concise as well as descriptive or comprehensive, indicative of the content of the research to the scholars, to the readers, okay? To attain this, include the main concepts, variables, or terms that can encompass the variable. So in short, the title itself will indicate the variable needed to pursue the study, and then indicate also the specific relationship between or among variables that are the interests of the study. As I said, title itself will give you the specific variable needed to pursue or to make the research paper successful. The relationship could be any: the difference, the association or correlation, the cause and effect. For example, the title is about sex and mental ability differences in verbal creativity among senior high school students of a private school enrolled in ABM, UMS, and STEM. Look at the variables, okay? The title itself will give you a descriptive comparative between verbal creativity among ABM Senior High School, creativity among UMS, and creativity among STEM. Let's go back to the title. Sex and mental ability differences in verbal creativity. Okay? Next, association or correlation. Descriptive to correlational. Factors in parental behavior and personality as related to behavior problems among senior high school students of a school's division of. So there are associations or correlations in the title. Parental behavior, personality, behavior problems among senior high school students. So there are many correlational problems. Cause and effect. This is more on experimental research. The effect of peer academic mentoring on the study habits and attitudes of senior high school students in a school's division so different schools division. The effects. What is the cause of academic mentoring to the study habits? What is the effect to the attitudes of senior high school students if there is no peer academic mentoring, if there is peer academic mentoring? So that is what? Cause and effect. Okay, what is the cause of academic mentoring on the study habits and what is the attitude effect and so on. And then we will now ready to write the background or the rationale of the study. When you say background or rationale, this part contains the general orientation about the study. It conveys to the reader the importance of the project and that is likely to make a contribution to national development, if not to the development or improvement of education. This part also consists of statements on what led the investigator to launch the study. It may have been generated by some empirical observations, the need to explore the study, and some other relevant conditions. It also discusses the circumstances that have brought about the study. This is to bring gradual the problem into focus. So, if you're going to read the background of the study or introduction or rationale of the research paper, you will have already the bird's eye view of the whole research paper, even though you did not go to the page by page of the paper. All right? Good luck, writers there, researchers there, and I hope you learned something from this video.